Hi everyone, Coach Keon Smith here, and welcome to another episode where I get the opportunity to educate you on our corporate training modules. We have over 100 modules that you can do as an individual, or it can be done at the organization level where it can be tailored to your organization. We are going to be diving into a topic today that many persons generally run from, and it's really important that you understand the contents of this workshop because it can be extremely helpful. Today, we are going to be touching on budgets and financial reports. The persons tend to get a bit intimidated when it comes to the financial aspect of an organization or a business, especially when they do not have an accounting or a financial background. But I'm here to tell you today that this workshop can equip you with the knowledge that can help you to be more confident when it comes to dealing with financial and budgeting reports. You'll be exposed to some of the terminologies that are being used on these reports and in these discussions so that you don't feel as if you're lost, but you can understand and participate in the discussion in a meaningful manner. So you'll come across terms like ROI, which is return on investment, EBIT, which is earnings before interest and taxes, GAAP, which stands for generally accepted accounting principles, and some persons would use practices. As you're in the training, it is our responsibility to ensure that we give you a solid foundation when it comes to some of these financial terms. So we'll cover topics in the training that covers the commonly used terms. We'll cover financial statements. You can understand the different types of financial statements, budgets and the types of budgets that you can come across, forecasting and different methods or techniques that you can use for forecasting. How do we use that when it comes to making purchasing decisions and any regulations and rules that we need to be aware of when it comes to either the business or the organization that we are a part of. So, some of the key objectives of this workshop would be for the participants to understand budgets, how to make budgeting easy, and understanding forecasting once you got a good hold of the type of financial statements that you will need when it comes to executing these specific activities. We will be covering the 12 modules, and you'll be exposed to a glossary of terms, very key financial terms that you need to be aware of. That's going to help you to better understand the content as we go through, understanding financial statements, how to structure them, what do they mean, and how to read them, which is going to be very important. You'll be exposed to the different types of budgets and understanding how they can be used depending on the type of organization or the business that you are a part of. We'll move into forecasting, which is very important. It helps you as the team leader, as a business owner, as the person in finance to understand how to project for the future growth of the business and be able to track those numbers as best as you can so that you can determine how are you faring against what you would have projected. You will then get a good feel of some of the legal policies or legislations when it comes to financing, financial statements within an organization. Now, if you think that you are that person that will really use this information, it can be very beneficial to you and or your organization, then my encouragement to you is to take out your cell phone, put on your camera, point it to the QR code, click on the link. Once it pops up, it will take you straight to our page that allows you to review the content a bit more in detail and also to get registered so that you and your organization can be exposed to this type of training. I would like to encourage you to also call our number 223-5583 if you're not that technologically savvy, so you can also get registered and you can be on your path to personal and professional development. Coach Keon here. See you in the next episode.